Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying hardware. Confirm the dock supports USB-C power delivery 45W or higher and an HDMI 2.0 or DisplayPort output so your Steam Deck can charge and drive a display. Once done, update Steam OS and power the deck off to avoid hot plug issues. Next, position your dock near the monitor and plug the monitor cable into the dock. Make sure the dock is connected to mains power. These first steps prevent power negotiation errors and ensure the deck boots into the right mode. You now connect the deck's USB-C to the dock and verify the charging indicator or battery icon changes. That confirms power delivery. Then, switch your monitor or TV to the dock's input, HDMI or DisplayPort, so the signal is visible. Make sure any USB peripherals, keyboard, mouse, Ethernet, are plugged into the dock. Once the display appears, choose desktop mode to manage resolution and peripherals, or stay in gaming mode if you prefer the big screen interface. This gives you control over input mapping and performance. You finish by setting the correct resolution and refresh rate in display settings so games scale properly. Match your monitor's native specs to avoid blurring. Next, confirm controller bindings and enable Steam input for consistent controls, and route audio to HDMI or a USB DAC depending on your setup. Finally, test by launching a game and monitoring thermals and charging. If the dock doesn't work, reseat cables, reboot the deck and dock, and try a different USB-C power supply. These steps resolve most connection problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.